My name's Jessica and I have no idea what I'm doing. I have a small plan for today. This is going to be a very quick video because I have to get out of here and I have a very busy day ahead of me. What I'm going to use, this is not a first impression, I have used it before, is the Rimmel Wonder Swipe 2-in-1 liner to shadow thing. Of course I have like the periwinkle blue one, but this is actually a neat little thing. So it looks like a liner, and basically what you do is you draw, you don't have to draw a line. You could really just put it all over your lid, but look at that color. Isn't that beautiful? I would like to try some of the others, but you really don't need any. But this is cool because it's quick. You go like that. And you just kind of dab it around like so. Now that's a sheer application. And then in between, while I let that dry a little bit, I will go to this eye here. So look at that. Today you actually get to see me do both eyes instead of just one. As I'm doing this, shout out to my uncle who watches all my videos and shares them. He was a little bit jealous that I mentioned my aunt in my video the other day and not him, so I love you. Now I'm going to apply a second coat over here. So if you leave it like that, you will get that color as your liner. But if you blend it out, then of course it is a little bit sheerer. And I'm going kind of into the crease. I don't know what it's like without a primer. I have not tried it in that way. So I do have an eyeshadow primer on. I'm gonna try and let that dry. And then we go back to the other side. I know I'm using blue again. I promise other colors are coming. There we go. I think maybe I'll just add a touch more over here. Very nice. And you can even put it under here. And just kind of swipe it around. Like so. Add a little bit more. There. Sparkly, pretty, and simple. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you have a good day no matter what it is you're doing. Bye! See you next time.